Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got an unboxing from Beebeecraft. Now if you haven't seen Beebeecraft, all the links will be below for the Beebeecraft website. They have a YouTube program where if you have 100 or more subscribers, you could be eligible to showcase and show some of their products as well. You get given a certain amount to choose products from their store. They send you that, you do an unboxing on camera, and then you do 2 make videos with the products that you've chosen. Okay, so all the products that I've chosen today will be down below, all the links, and yeah, pop in there, have a look at Beebeecraft, make a favorite box because you'll need that once you start looking. They've got tons of craft things to look at and to buy. So if you are interested, check out all those links below. It's worth a look. Don't forget at checkout I have a coupon code Valita10 and you can use that and get 10% off your products. Okay, let's get started and see what I got this time. But they always come really well packed. Bubble wrap package, bubble wrap bag. They're always, and they're really quick to come, all their products. So this time around I got a pack of emboss folders, and we'll see why in a minute. Ooh, there's a lot in this pack. Gosh, I didn't realise there was this many. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, that looks like little bottle sprays. Look how many you're getting here. These are awesome. So in this pack you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 emboss folders. So if you're just starting out on your embossing journey, wow, perfect pack to buy. Great mix of embossing folders here. Look at this one, a beautiful rose one with the swirls. Isn't that pretty? And this one, whoa, oh, this looks nice that way, doesn't it? These are awesome. Oh, I like this one. That could be really nice in mixed media. And then the tree, how cute is this one? And then the swirls. Oh, they're all really pretty. I love this one. I love these two for Australian type ones because I'm really into Australian things, if you haven't already noticed. But look at that. 9 embossing folders in that pack. Isn't that awesome? So that's the first product that I'll open it up and we'll just have a little quick squeezy. Where's the opening? Oh, here it is. Let's have a look at the folder. Oh, that's the wrong end. Okay, that looks nice. Can't wait to have a go at it. You can do all sorts of things with emboss folders. All sorts. So we'll have some fun with them. So it looks nice. I'm happy with how it looks. We'll just have another video doing the make things with it. So they're the emboss folders that I got. And there was this stamp set. And it is mushrooms. Aren't they cute? So it's got a calendar on there. That's handy. And different little mushrooms and different like bits and pieces you can put on a mixed sort of media type stamping, that sort of thing. Sorry, I'm a bit croaky this morning. I've already been out because I've had to get some stuff and alright, my next thing was it's still early in the morning here and it's cold. It's freezing cold. Okay, my next thing has got to do with the emboss folders. Okay, this one here is relief shapes for emboss folders. So what you do is you put in your paper in here. Okay, you put in your paper in there, and if you want, you put that on top when you go to put it through your machine, and you run it through, right? And then this oval section or whatever shape you choose won't get embossed, so there'll be a plain spot there, but around here will be embossed. And you can use either. You can do it either way. Okay, you could do it so just the middle gets embossed, just this oval, and it leaves the outside. So these are awesome. So in this pack you get an oval relief, so an oval opening and the oval shape, and these come clear, I'm pretty sure. Yep, you pull off the protective strip. They've got a protective there we go, protective layer on the acrylic, okay, on both sides. I'll just take this one off so I can show you. I mean, you could leave it on if you want to protect them, but they're meant to be taken off. Okay, and that's your acrylic. Bit hard to see because it's clear. It's easier to see with that on. And then you take that one off as well. So in the set, you get an oval, you get a circle, you get another shaped oval, which is, you know, if you put that on up here, up the top, or even that way, you just get a smaller section that's left. So you've got a smaller oval that's a different size, which that's really nice because then you can put words and stuff on that one. And then, get rid of that, and then you get a rectangle. So this is the shape relief set. Aren't they great? Now, I've seen this done years ago when I was doing card making, and I seen this on Beebeecraft, and I thought, oh wow, this is an awesome set. So that's why I got it, because I'd like to do a little bit more card making, and I know the card makers have been yelling out for me to make more cards. So that's the 4-pack of relief shapes that you use with your emboss folders. Now my next product is this set of dies, and these look awesome too. Oh, okay, they're double bagged. Let's see if I can find the opening on this one. Where is it? Oh, here it is. It's always a fun day when you get a Beebeecraft parcel. My daughter said, Mum, there's a parcel around here for you, and I'm like, oh, Beebeecraft. Thank you so much, Beebeecraft. I do appreciate it so much. Now these are dies. Look at these. So you get a rectangle. Now these are all the Deckle edge. I've got other dies, but I don't have all these in a Deckle edge. Aren't they gorgeous? So you could use them in correspondence with all these stuff. Okay, so there's 9 rectangles. Looks like there's 9 of each. 9 squares, 9 ovals, and 9 circles. Now they just match in with all that perfectly, don't they? All these relief things as well. So that is the die set that I got. All the different shapes, and there's so many in there. Okay, now my next product was another set of dies, and it's hard to tell which side these bags open on. And these dies are corner dies. This one's a corner rose, isn't that gorgeous? And a corner like daisy, I guess you'd call it, type flower. A corner, what would it be? leaf sort of spray, you know. And this one is some sort of little bulb. Anyway, so there's 4 different flower corner dies there, and I thought they'd be awesome to put in the corner of a junk journal for a pocket. Wouldn't they be beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. So there was 4 of them. Now what else? There's one more thing. And let's see, these are stencils. And I'm going to have some fun with these. These look beautiful. Okay, this is a set of stencils. How many is there? No, it just says 1 set. But I'll have all the information will be down below, so make sure you check that out. Aren't these gorgeous? These are flower stencils. So that's the first one. And I could use all these as wildflowers in junk journals. Oh, these are beautiful. This one's like a pond one with the bird and the reeds and stuff. I'll just put them up there because I want to see each one. These another wildflower one. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's got a little butterfly. So what I'm planning to do with these is maybe some work on the gel plate and then do some doodling. So watch out for that video. Here's a fun flower one. I like the fun shapes in that one. So that's 3, 4. Look at this one too. Ah, it's just gorgeous. I love these. Love them. Oh, this one's pretty too. Like a whole little row of flowers. These will be fun to work with. Now, if you don't have many stencils in your stash, this is a great pack to get. It'll just cover all sorts of flower things you want to do. Look at the daisies. You could doodle with that too. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And these ones, oh, yeah, they're gorgeous. Actually, they look like wildflowers too. I can do a lot with them. And these ones are poppies. The poppies with a little bird. These are gorgeous. I love stencils. All right, here's another one with the daisies. And then another one just with all different flowers. So, how many was there? 1, 2, 11. You get a dozen of them in that pack. Wow, that is awesome. That is awesome. So these are the products that I got from Beebeecraft. Thank you so much, Beebeecraft, for allowing me to showcase these products for you. I've got some fun coming up. So this is my unboxing, and over the next 2 videos, they won't be in a row, they'll one a week, I will showcase these products. And looking at them now, I can easily fit these into 2 videos because they sort of all tie together, I reckon. Yeah, I'm going to have lots of fun. All right, so make sure you jump on Beebeecraft. These are the stencils, the dies, the relief, the embossed relief shapes, the huge pack of emboss folders. What a great starter pack if you're just getting into embossing. Beautiful starter pack, absolutely beautiful. And the stamp, the mushroom stamp. All right, so those are my products today. Thank you for watching, and thank you, Beebeecraft, for sending these products to me to showcase for you. All right, so stay tuned for videos using these products, and I hope you've enjoyed this. Check out Beebeecraft below. Go in, do all that stuff, make your account, make your little love list, because you're gonna need that once you start looking at all their products. And I'll see you real soon for a new make. Bye.